What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome back and welcome to another video of Shayla's World. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. What are you doing while you're able to hit that like button and comment some nice in the comment section down below. This is going to be a traveling vlog. This is a hot mess. You a hot mess. We're just packed.
You need something?
No, I'm trying to put my uncle around here. So I am about to go to Newport News with my family.
Here she go trying to record.
And okay, I can record if I want to. Y'all is not going to destroy this video.
Shayla, I just see your cousin go behind the trash can.
I ain't going to sleep. I gotta edit.
No one cares.
I don't care either. Go to sleep.
I need peace and quiet.
I need peace too. Go to sleep.
No,
No, we're not stopping nowhere. Don't ask for anything else.
Look,
So, I'm watching TikToks. Watching TikToks on board. It's a long trip. As you can see, we're not even exit anywhere. Still in this Charlotte.
Today we're taking a fresh balance towards your
I need to edit some video. Make a thumbnail for this video. Really can't do too much because I'm cramped, as y'all see. Look at all this stuff that's around me. I'm wearing much cramps. I put my scarf on. I'm about to go to sleep. I think that's what I do. Oh man, just here. We should be getting to my destination at 5 o'clock. I'm about to go to sleep, I think, or edit a video. My sister was in the bedroom. She's not asleep. She's very much. Not true. Why? Say it, because you don't say it. I can hear y'all see yourselves. Can you see yourself? Too much music. So you guys, I slept the whole way through like I said.
She gonna wake up from that and start recording. She just go before I was ready to go wake up.
We're almost here. She's up now. I'm touching my camera. They gonna not do. Oh, she ain't gonna touch my camera.
Stop recording her.
I didn't. All I did was turn it this way. I don't care.
But I care.
Get on my nerves.
So leave her alone.
Just one spread like a I made it here. I'm so glad because I'm done. I cannot ride with any more family members like them crazos that I rode with down here. Let me see my Carter. Kaden! Hey, Auntie!
You gonna wipe them off?
Oh, don't you start that crying.
Oh, Lord, boy.
We ain't gonna have that crying.
Just in here trying to get those lights and stuff.
Oh. Carter! Auntie, I am not riding with them crazies up the road. You gonna have to take me home.
Oh.
Not gonna do it. Okay, guys, I made it to my destination, and this is a crybaby don't want me. Stop your crying!
Hey, let me wave at the camera.
That's crazy.
Let me wave at the camera.
No,
I was the driver.
I don't care. Alrighty, so this is the end of this video. I hope that you had a great time today.